I want you each to tell me your names, what team you raced for, and how you did. Starting with Mitchell.
My name is Mitchell Duchek. I'm with South Chicago Wheelmen, and I got third.
I'm Sean McCarthy. I raced with South Chicago Women. I got first.
Awesome. How did the race play out for you?
The race was good, and I hit a couple potholes, and my gears got a little messed up, so that wasn't.
It played out well. We started different from the older kids, so me, Mitchell, and Darius Patel from Triple X kind of just rode together until the end where we just had a good sprint. So worked out well.
Did you lead your teammate out?
A little, yeah.
Yeah.
Not much, but a little.
Yeah, he pulled for me a couple laps, which was nice. So he played a really good teammate well.
And can you tell me how you did last week?
At Lincoln Park. Lincoln Park was good. I got third. I wish I did better, but still got third. Still was a really good race. It was a really hard course with the headwind coming right from the U-turn. So you gotta lose all your momentum, and then you start accelerating, and it just hits you in the face.
You mean Montrose?
Yeah.
I wasn't at Montrose.
Oh, you weren't? Okay.
So if you weren't on the wheel right away from there, it was gonna be really hard to just make up. So
How did you like that U-turn?
the U-turn was really hard, cause especially it was in some turns tight. So when you had to, and I think it would have been a lot nicer, like if it wasn't quite as if the wind wasn't coming off the lake as hard, because I mean you had like 15-mile-per-hour winds, so you
I got something to say about
so it hit you like straight in the face right after the U-turn. So it was hard, but it was a nice course. The roads were really good. It was put on well by the organizers. I really enjoyed it.
Awesome. And what were you gonna say?
like he said about the U-turn, the only thing bad about the U-turn was the crash that the guy broke his collarbone and the other guy broke his foot
When did that happen?
at Montrose.
No, that happened Tuesday at Tuesday night cuts.
No, I thought that was at Montrose.
It was Tuesday. Well, he's mistaken that for our Tuesday night cuts we have every week in the Ace Paint Factory in Matson.
I've been there before.
Yeah, it's definitely nice.
Hold on a second, I get my dog.